what he's going to speak about. It's a surprise. So, like once Warren Buffett, one of the richest person on the earth, he was asked, what is the key for success? He said, pointing out the stacks of books nearby, he said, you have to read 500 pages daily. That is how knowledge works, and it builds like a compound interest. The owner of Tesla and SpaceX, Elon Musk, he said like he learned how to build a rocket just by reading books. The 33rd president of United States of America said once, all readers are not leaders, but all leaders are readers. So I guess you all would have guessed by this time what he's going to speak about. Yes, he wants our agrimates to be a good readers and as well as a good leaders. How? That is what he's going to explain. His topic is about how to develop the habit of reading. I welcome Mr. Nadraj sir and all the very best sir. And once again, I welcome you all, and over to Nadraj sir.
Okay.
Good evening to all.
Yes, Nadraj sir.
Now I am going to discuss about reading books and how to develop your reading habit. Reading books increases one's knowledge and makes one smarter. See, every book gives you an opportunity to learn new things and explore new ideas. One of the basic reasons why reading is important is that helps to grow mentally, emotionally, and psychologically. Definition of reading book. Book for people who are learning to read to help them become accustomed to looking at and understanding written words. Let me say some quotes about book reading or books. First one is, poor people have big TVs and rich people have a big libraries, said by Jim Rohn, which means book is more valuable than TV shows. Then second point, a room without books is like a body without soul, said by Cicero. The third quote, I have always imagined that paradise will be a kind of library, said by Margaret Fuller. Fourth point, one best book is equal to 100 good friends, but one good friend is equal to a library, said by Dr. ABJ Abdul Kalam. Arinyar Anna, in order to complete his book, reading, he postponed the surgery for the next day. Sixth quote, Socrates was up to the point of poisoning. He was reading the Greek poem because he sensed the need of reading. Tirukural, தொட்டனை தூரும் மணற்கேணி மாந்தர்க்கு கற்றனை தூரும் அறிவு. மணலை தோண்ட தோண்ட ஊற்று நீர் கிடைப்பது போல படிக்க படிக்க ஒருவருக்கு அறிவு பெருகிக்கொண்டே இருக்கும். Now let's discuss how to read books and develop reading habit. I have collected few points on this. Let's discuss one by one. First point is, start with interesting and goal supporting book. So if you want to changes in your life, you have to develop your habit of reading books. First, you have to choose the book which will help you to achieve your goal. It is a good beginning. For example, you want to become a trainer, you have to choose the training skill oriented book, or you are interested in reading psychology related books, you have to start with that books. So select the books which will help you to achieve your goal or ambition. The second point is, set a goal for reading. Take a strong resolution for reading. For example, I will complete 2 books within this month, or within within 6 months, I will complete 12 books, or I will complete within a week, I will complete 50 pages of the particular book. Like that, we have to take strong resolution for reading. So when you have a goal, your reading skills stimulates more to reach your destination. Take a decision like, unless you read minimum 25 pages, I will not go to sleep. Third point, keep a book always. Wherever you go, keep a book in your hand. For example, you are waiting for a doctor in the hospital for half an hour. Why do you want to waste your time? You can make use of half an hour and you can read at least 15 pages. It will develop your reading habits. Then fourth point, buy books. So when we go to library, we can read there, or we can borrow books. But my suggestion to everyone, you should have own books. This is not an expenditure, it is an investment. So reading makes a man perfect and take him in a higher place. When your value is in higher level, people come and choose you. The fifth point is use new technologies. So Amazon app is having option to have Kindle book. In this app, we can have more than thousands of books. So when we go for long travel, we cannot have all the books in our hands. We can download this app in our iPad or mobile phone. So we can download article, essays, everything in the website called respective website. Then we can save it in the app called Packet. Then whenever we want, we can read it even in offline. Sixth point is read multiple books. Somebody says, unless you completing a book, you should not read other books. That is depends on the reader's interest. Same day, you can read 2 or 3 books in different time, like office or bedroom, wherever the place is convenient. Seventh point, share what you read. Whatever you read, try to share with others. When you share, others can know about bookish knowledge. After that, you also clear in that, so it belongs to yours. So I request you all, after reading the book, share the information with your wife, children, friends, especially with your students. So you will be absoluted. Eighth point is create book reading club. 5 to 7 members together, you can create club or group. So to share our experience of the particular book. Weekly once or monthly twice or thrice, you can have discussion about the particular books. This voluntary involvement stimulates to others read books. So you can start the group from WhatsApp too. Ninth one is take notes. So in reading text, we have to underline or highlight the important points. It will help us to recall the notes, what we took in the past. It will give glimpses of the book. 10th one, allot more time to read books instead of spending time in social media. We people generally say that we don't have time to read books. It means we simply wasting our time in social media. So we have to calculate the time of everything and spending 2 hours for WhatsApp, and you have to reduce 1 hour for reading. Likewise, Facebook, WhatsApp, and unnecessary chatting with friends, everything must be cut off. Then only we can have fine time for reading. Not only for us, we can inculcate the same habit to our children. Lastly, I conclude with one quote: "Today a reader, tomorrow a leader," said by Margaret Fuller. So, read more and more books and maintain reading habit and attain success. Thank you. Sir.
Good, sir. Very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Wonderful. You did so well. You really advocated for what you are custodian for. Very good. Very
Thank
nice.
you, thank you, sir.
But you said about the points like book club and all. It is already there. You're talking to a group which knows already there is a book club. What
Yes,
you could have done is improved a little more, saying that we already have a club. Ensure that everybody reads book and present.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Nice. Yeah, please, questions to Mr. Nataraj.
Nataraj sir, this is Sumita ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Which is your favorite book and why you like it?
My favorite book is You Can Win, Shiv Khera, ma'am.
Why you liked it more, sir?
Ma'am, he gave importance to how to develop our personality and positive things. That's all, ma'am. That's why I like that books, ma'am.
Your personality is because of Shiv Khera.
Good, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, there is one beautiful saying when somebody, some important person only, favorite book, the book which I'm going to read next is my favorite book. There is a quote, somebody said this. I thought you would say that. Okay. Yeah.
Nataraj sir, this is Venkateswamy sir.
Sir? Sir, tell me, sir.
This is your friend Venkateswamy.
Okay, sir. Ask me, sir.
Sir, which book you read recently, sir? May I know, sir?
Venkateswamy knows that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, given the book review yesterday,
Okay.
Who Win the Friends and Influence the People, 2 days before I read in e-book, that is in digital library. Just
Okay. According to you, what is library? How do you think? How do you have some idea about library? And which quote you like, sir?
I like the library. So I have, she said by Margaret Fuller, his quote, her quote is, "I always imagine that paradise will be a kind of library."
Super, sir. Thank you, sir. Do you have library in home, sir?
Yes, sir. Not that much level, sir. I having only a small number of books only, sir.
Okay. Half the size of our school library?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Nataraj, you know who is your friend and enemy now. Okay, somebody else. Peter, I know you have a question.
Good evening, Nataraj sir.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Sir, I thought of ask the question, but before itself, Sumita ma'am asked the question. Okay, let me add one more question for you.
Okay, sir.
In your point of view, sir, voice is audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ask me, sir.
Audible.
Okay. In your point of view,
Okay, sir.
how to develop our library? Actually, so many students are eagerly waiting to read. How to make impact among students by reading?
Peter பேசிட்டு இருக்காரு
Okay.
அங்க மதுரையில கபி
Sir, we have to develop our students reading. That means we have to develop our reading first. Own reading first. Consciously or unconsciously, students one by one seeing us. Then they will develop reading, sir. The second one is we have to guide our children to make use of the opportunity. There are plenty of resources available to read books, network and school libraries. Where are the place to possible get sources in other places also. So we have to guide them in proper way. We have to guide like this. Definitely the students achieve become good readers.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, questions? Anybody? All are very soft towards Nataraja, asking easy questions.
Sir, you can ask any questions.
In every book, there is one number, ISBN number, correct?
Yes, yes, sir.
Who allots this number?
Sir, the book published, the book, I think the copyright, sir. So when one author got copyright, after that the ISP number given, sir.
Are you guessing or you're very sure about it?
I can sure about, sir.
Okay. Anyway, still I'll give you time, sir. Check it out and tell me. Not correct.
Sir?
Not correct. Copyright is different. ISBN number is different.
International Standard Book Number.
That's what. Who issues this?
Okay.
You write a book. How will you get your ISBN number allotted? I know two of our teachers attended a course on this. Anupavatarani and Priya. Priya Ilangovan. Yeah, you can tell me. You would have learnt about this.
Yes, sir. But
hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
actually,
Minister of Human Resource Development, sir.
Minister of Human Resource Development.
Yeah.
International book, sir.
ISBN.
Yes, sir. So international, sir. Yes, sir.
A UK-based agency, I think. Sir.
So this is Anu.
You have to apply for this. You have to send the book and get a. You have to apply for it, and then they will allot this. Copyright is separate, Nataraj, sir. Okay. ISBN is separate. ISBN is separate. Copyright.
Sir, I'm Akash.
You get for book.
Sir, this is Anu.
Yes.
Sir, it is international book numbers.
Yeah, that's what. Who is issuing it? How will you get? I have written a book. I write a book now. Who will allot this ISBN number? How will I get that number allotted? What should I do? Who is the authority to issue this number?
International Library Association give this number, sir.
Okay. How will I apply for it? I'm sitting in Darapuram and I've written a book. How will they come to know that I've written a book? How will they allot a number to this book?
After completing the book, we will send to the National Library and they will give us numbers, sir.
Okay. So they will have, India will have a series of numbers. From that, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Nataraj sir, in the holidays, read 2-3 books. Soon after the school reopens, you will do book review. You will be the first book reviewer for the next academic year. From that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Select
Okay,
the book.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Any
sir.
other questions from anybody else? But today it was nice, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
You are a brand of the school, you know. Brand is like when you're identified with something, then you're called as a brand. You're always identified with the library. You're always identified with book review. You're always identified with the cleanliness. Every Monday morning, whatever the people think or not, they will think of you, and you are there with a notebook. The three areas, because of your consistency and because of making your stand very clear, people have understood, people have accepted you, and that is why you are a brand. Okay, sir.
With your blessing, sir.
No, it is because of your consistency. Anybody get a brand with anything because of their consistency and associating that value with that person. So you have become a brand in that.
All and all your guidance, sir.
You are not at all giving up. Okay. Yeah. Any other question?
Sir, I have one question, sir.
Yes.
When I started reading novels like from college days, I got explored to Balakumaran novel. Okay. And I was satisfied with his writing. So after that, unconsciously, I'm kind of ignoring all the other authors. Like whenever I go to a bookstore, I only go for Balakumaran novel. So is that a kind of a habit that I should try to change? Because, I will not be able to explore other authors, but still I look for that alone.
Ma'am, that is thinking of your mind, ma'am. You have to change the mind habit, ma'am.
Yeah, sir, but every individual have their own taste, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I don't find, other authors so intriguing and interesting.
Some other motivated books are there. Plenty of books is there.
That is what, sir. I'm not interested in those kind of books after reading Balakumaran and Jayakantan. So that is what. Is that a bad habit?
Okay, I'll come to rescue Nataraj.
Okay, that is depends on your interest, ma'am.
Exactly. One more, ma'am.
Yes,
now that you have started thinking, am I missing the other books? Maybe there is a deep craving inside you. Maybe. Okay. Otherwise, you would not have thought about it. You would have just went ahead with more and more Balakumaran's books only. Somewhere you have started feeling like maybe I missed out some books, and that's why this thought has come. Nothing wrong. You can give it a try. Add a little more variety in your food. So it will be nice only. Life will be so enticing. In that way, you can do it. There is nothing wrong, right, and all. You're much better off because you're reading consistently. You know the style of an author, and you started liking it. Adding a little more can spice up. That's all. This is my view.
Yeah, sir. Thank you.
Nadwajan said this is Priya Langovan.
Yes.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, ma'am, audible.
Sir, in our school, weekly once we have library period for every class. Yes, but in a class, we cannot say every children are having an interest of reading books. So how will you bring interest in those children to reading books? Do you have any strategies for that?
Yes.
Peter asked the same question.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to develop reading habit to students by motivating, by giving book review and first we have to develop own reading first, man. Consciously, unconsciously, students seeing us, then they will develop reading, man. Then we have to guide our children to make use of the opportunity. There are plenty of resources available, network, in library and other source, man.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Oh, that's a good question. Even I would like
Priya,
to think about this.
sir, I have an answer for this.
Yeah, good, good.
Priya ma'am, you can discuss the book which you have read to your students. You can share the points, whichever the book you read. So from that,
Okay.
children will get
Good
motivated to read books. Not a matter, just take a newspaper of that day and discuss the news of the day. Not for a long, at least for 5 minutes. So the children will automatically get eager and they will develop. So to
Okay,
be frank,
thank you, Anna.
I asked my student what are the books you were interested, and they brought their own books, and we kept in the class. Every time zero period, we have a habit of reading. Every children are reading. So by this, we can develop reading habit. Not textbooks, other than textbooks, we have to encourage them to do. Thank you.
Thank you, Anu ma'am. Thank you.
The reason why we wanted every child to read book is it is a positive habit, and as said, it is not going to happen just like that, because each one are interested in different ways. We are wired in different ways. Even I was never a reader for first 30 years of my life. Okay, so I have not read a single book apart from the textbooks for my exams and all that for 30 years, first 30 years. So it took a lot of time. My previous principal, he always used to tell, in every meeting he'll tell, read books, that's how as a teacher you'll grow. I thought like textbooks, my subject books are more than enough as a teacher to grow, and why should I read anything beyond that? And somewhere I stumbled, I don't know how, but unconsciously it was there, that thought of reading to become a good teacher was running in me, because my principal kept on telling, Mr. Ganeshan he kept on telling. And at one point of time I started reading, and I'm loving to read. And I see a big change in me because of reading books. And that's the reason I feel like now I'm telling my kids, I'm telling our students, I'm telling our faculty, I'm telling all my friends, whomever I feel they can all push up themselves better. I keep telling, like, read books. I know just by telling alone, it will not change. There should be a lot of references for them. At one point of time, with so many things happening around them, it can penetrate inside their mind and make them to touch that book and read. And we all know once they start reading, then it is very tough for them to stop it. So that's why in a school like us, where we are also trying to develop a positive habit of book reading amongst our children, we are creating as many forums as possible, giving a certificate, making a teacher to do, appreciating those one who are doing, and asking teachers to read books. So when the entire environment is filled with that culture, there is a high possibility of this getting infected to the students, positive infection. This can get positively infected to our students, and children might also pick up. Okay, so yeah, few children are naturally good readers. They have a natural tendency, like how few are very good in playing. A few will be actually loving books and sitting in one corner and reading. But we have to focus on everybody to bring a holistic development for all the students in the school. They should play, they should read, and to make them read, it's definitely a good habit. It is a worthy habit to be instilled. We all must play a big role. Natarajan, when he answered Peter, he rightly said, as a teacher, we have to read. Children should see us reading more. Children should see us carrying good books with us. And they will casually ask, ma'am, what is this book? What is this book about? Then you can also add what Anu said. Yeah, you can share something about your book. And when you tell an interesting thing in the class, when children closely observe, then you know that, okay, this is the time to put the bait. You can say, you also can speak about this, just read books like this. That's how you bring them, drag them to the world of books. And of course, they will thank you. I still thank Mr. Ganeshan, because without him, I would not have touched book. And book review in Sachidananda School was a turning point in my life. They were always telling me, like everybody used to do, all senior staff, everybody used to do. And I was more of physical person, like ground activity, NCC. This is how I was. And when everybody were doing, I used to sit in the last row, go late for the book reviews, not really focus that much and all. And one point of time, somebody pulled me up and said, like, why are you wasting? At least do a small book. When small late staff who have joined recently are doing book reviews, and you are not even bothered about it. That is when I took a book. I slept for the initial 10-15 days whenever I opened the book. Then it all stories after that. Okay. But after that, I've become mad. I keep buying books randomly every time. More than I can read, I'm buying. Okay. But I know what books can offer, how it can be advantageous. So it's worth, it might take time. As said, we have to create a culture. That culture will benefit some more students. That's all. 100% we don't know when we'll achieve, but it will definitely improve. It will keep adding more students.
Yeah, so to add, we can make use of their interest in certain areas. Like if a child is interested in football, we can suggest some books related with football players and all.
Good
So
idea.
with that, they will get an exploration with for the book. So
this is where an extraordinary teacher comes to play. These are all not taught in any B.Ed classes. These are all not taught. These are not in the manual of a teacher. Here is where a teacher comes into play. An extraordinary teacher comes into play, going out of the way. Like what you said, spotting if a child is interested in football, you suggest him a book about football. Maybe that's how he'll get into it. Beautiful, Ponmalar. Nice.
Thank you.
Point that you brought in. Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, I have one suggestion, sir.
Yeah.
In the book review, Nataraj sir, in the book review, I'm seeing the few children are getting repeated.
Yes.
Yeah, many students are they voluntarily wanted to do again and again. But I felt one class after completing a book review on Saturday, I went to the present 9th standard. I asked a few children who studies very well. I asked them why you people are not doing the book review. And then they simply said, ma'am, we have some fear, that's why we're not. I said, you just go and do a review, or you don't worry about that, no one is perfect, you at least you will learn. That's all. One day I said, then I came out of the class. But two of the children of the same class, and I said, if you are finding difficulty, you just call me, I will come to you along with you to library so that we will take a book from the library. I think you know about that, sir.
Yes, ma'am. I know. Yes, ma'am. I know, ma'am. After telling Anusha given, ma'am.
Yeah. I gave the book to Anusha to present it to the book review, and even Shweta also she started. So I felt that we can encourage some other kids also for the book review, because many people are learning, but they are because of the fear or because of no one is asking them to do, they have a mindset like for example in a class, Pardeep, Tarun Kumar, set of people, they are the thing who will present it regularly, like that their mindset also it has been changed, so that at least we can change this by this year.
Correct. Yes, you are not at all interested. If you wanted, but they have a hesitation. This is where a teacher's pulling, pushing, encouragement, patting, all that comes into play. It happens one rightly. First point of Nataraj is what still I am vouching to. If there is a culture in the school with the teachers to read, that will start overflowing to the children also. So please read, all of you. And there is a book review for the students going on. After our cold series is getting over, after 1 or 2 rounds, then the book review will start. We don't know, up to August, or there are so many news going around outside. Till August, the school may not be reopening. But we'll keep our colt alive. What do you say?
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
Today they said till December, sir.
Oh my God.
December.
Yes, sir. Doctors are advising. Morning it was telecasted once, then after that they didn't say anything. Doctors were saying till December, if the lockdown extends only, we can possibly find some alternative. That's what we don't know, sir.
Today
But
also I was speaking to one of the doctors. They said like today, like 3 districts are complete lockdown again. They are
5 districts.
5 districts.
5 districts.
Tirupur also is there. Tirupur is also
Tirupur is 3 days, sir.
That is 3 days.
Other district 5 days.
3 days. It's going to be very vigorous only. Yesterday there was one study, I think Jawaharlal Nehru University or some university. They said in the month of May there will be 35,000 deaths in India because of corona, and total affected will be 8 lakhs in India in the month of May. Last evening in the news it came. I don't know if it has come in the newspaper today. It is studies made by one research team from Delhi, Jawaharlal Nehru University is what I believe. Okay. And I also spoke to one of the doctors who is also my student. And he said like, until India does testing, you can never say, oh, India has bottomed out in this corona. So India has not done the test for our size of population. The test we are doing is less than 1%. So until a massive level of test is done, you cannot rule out that the disease has come to an end. We are not seeing an end. It is all just somewhere. It is still staying, not showing out. It will show out anytime. So be careful. Don't think that things are getting easier and don't go away. Don't mix up with people, because I saw in Dharapuram this morning, it was like business as usual in Dharapuram. Morning I went to market. Everybody were busy, happily purchasing, moving around. For namesake, they had one mask alone, half put and half down there. I don't know. They all think that Corona is over. May 4th is coming, so Corona is over. So be careful, be safe at home. And we'll continue this cold series. Second round can go on, and also book readings can go on. All are resourceful. At least for this sake, you all become resourceful. We'll continue it. Okay. Till the school reopens, cold series will go on.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
So when I read a book, few books are really connected to me. And when I read few books now, those strategies, some strategies, my mind is not accepting. I don't know whether right or wrong, whether I should apply it in my life.
Book is not written by God. Book is written by a human being only. Okay.
Yeah.
The human being can be of, can have a flaw. They can.
Yeah, I thought that is author's opinion, and we will have a different opinion.
Yeah. Most
and
well.
So the same strategies were repeated in the in many books. So in that case, I don't know whether I'm wrong or they are wrong. It is a different opinion from people, but those strategies.
Psychologically speaking, Ponmala's language, nobody is wrong, nobody is right. Everybody is right. Okay.
Okay.
So that is the ultimate thing. And sometimes, as you said, a lot of things may not match with what we think and what we practice. Whatever the trainers say, whatever the books say, need not be taken as golden words. Okay. If once we start questioning only, that's good. We are not simply carried away by the words of people. We are analyzing and all that. So it can be very, that's a good sign that you are not simply accepting everything. You are able to analyze it. If possible, have a team. See, you can present here. Then maybe it will be a topic for our discussion.
So whenever I read a book, I used to analyze those strategies, whether this will be applicable to our life or not. So in that case, many strategies now, my mind is not accepting. So the same strategies were repeated in...
the present strategies, we will dissect it. We'll analyze it into so many parts and see. We have got a lot of people who are book readers. Now everybody has become an expert. All of you have presented. So all of you have got the confidence to test anything. Okay. Yeah. So this forum initially I've started so that everybody will come. We have permitted to come with whatever they want. When it moves, when it picks up, when you all gain more confidence, yes, I have equal things to present and talk. Everybody will open up. I'm not seeing many of our teammates comfortably hiding their video, hiding their putting only their picture and taking a back seat. I wanted all of them to open up, talk freely. What is there? There is nothing right, wrong. This is a family. Again and again, I'm insisting this is a family. Here we can talk. We are in the pursuit of knowledge, excellence, and all that. So it is a tribe. It is one family, one tribe. We can talk with one another. Nobody is going to judge. Even if the others judge, don't give a damn for it. Just come out, keep talking, interact, learn, analyze. What a beautiful time to learn. Don't miss this opportunity. Okay. Don't mute when there is supposed to be a discussion. Mute when there is somebody talking. No, not you. I'm saying about others. In the camera, it will look like you, everyone. So next time you can tell that strategy. You put an agenda for that strategy. Whoever is interested, they can join and discuss. Even I'm interested to take a look at, relook at some of the well accepted old ideologies. We can have a relook at it.
Yeah.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Who's this? Priya.
Priya, yes, sir. Sir, when I was studying school, college, I have read lots of books, sir. Then after that, I stopped reading books. Then after I came to Agaram only, again I have started reading some books. But though sometimes I'm getting not much interested to reading books, so I need some kind of advice from where I want to start as a teacher. What are the works I should do
Okay.
behind?
So here I'll also tell, for a long time there was a guilt inside me because some books I don't finish it only. I'll start with a lot of interest, read a few chapters vigorously, it will go on, and suddenly somewhere I'll lose the steam of it. And I'll just leave that book. Some chapters where I'll never touch. And I started feeling like I've spent some hundreds on it and I'm not reading. What a waste of money and all that. Recently only I got a clarification. One of the webinars like this, I asked the same question to a person, resource person, and he said, "Who told you should complete a book?" He said, "There is no compulsion that you have to complete a book. Read what you like in the book. Leave all those which you don't like in the book." Okay. So Priya, what you can do is you keep trying. You keep, reading a variety of books. Read a novel, read a self-development book. Self-development book, there are different authors, Indian authors, foreign authors. You keep reading. Whichever you feel it is matching you, accepted by your mind, those things you read a little more. Okay. But if you ask me some of the good books which I have felt it is good, I can share. But you may like it or you may not like it. Okay, that I can definitely.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right. Ambali asked something. You wanted to say something. Unmute and speak.
Sir, I just want to argue one point that we have one the reader circle, one group in FB. So that group, it helped me a lot to read because in that group every day that some good readers are there. So what they'll do, they'll read some book and they will post the review in that book. So that helped me a lot to find new books. So now when I'm purchasing new books, I used to ask to that group members for this category or regarding this topic, which book is useful for me. So they will suggest. If we post one thing, they will suggest, so this one will help you a lot. So I started reading more when I joined that group. And another one point in that group is every week, December last week, 25th to 31st, the group members, they will post the books what they read in that year. From January 1 to December, that particular date, what are the books they read, every name and a small review they will post. So if we when we read that review and all, we will get an idea about that book, and it will give us to some it will make us to read that book like that. Some points are there. Then one sometime what I did means I'll tell to my friend continuously. I'll tell to him that I'm not getting more time to read. So he told, okay, if you're going for going to town, you just take one book with you. If you are sitting in a bus, you will get 5 minutes. At least 5 minutes if you are sitting, you just open that book. If you're reading only one page or one paragraph, that is enough. So always keep one book with you. So whenever I open my bag, there will be one book. So while traveling, this traveling and all, when I'm going this exit time and all, I'll take 1 or 2 books with me. It will help me to spend the time.
Atraj, you are noting down the name, I believe.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank
you. Sir, and also I would like to appreciate Ambali. She always used to take that reading challenge. So she will set a target. So 1 week means she will set a target, and she used to read nearly 2 to 3 books. So that is a challenge accepted. Always she used to update her status. She used to read many books.
Next year, 2020-21, she will be more in the book review team.
But she's not coming forward, sir. I don't know
her name. Okay, but to add something, like today, technology is very much helpful for anything that you want to do. A lot of apps are there. I think you all know about the famous app Goodreads. Have you heard of this? Yeah, Goodreads is like what you said, Ambali. all the voracious readers are all members of it. They share the books they've read. They put the review, and they also take suggestions from the others. Such interactions happen. Plenty of clubs are there. Today, for anything that you want, you can find a team to do that. Okay. So I'm trying to build some team within our school campus itself. So this is like one opportunity. We all know face to face one another much better. That is actually unknown people. We can also rise up to that level. Definitely. As a teacher, reading is part of our life. So that's why I'm trying to build this here. But it's coming out. A lot of good readers are there in our team. Okay. Some great books are read and reviewed. So humbly also join.
Sure, sir.
Yeah, I think you got answer for your question.
Sir, include my name also, sir.
Okay. Okay, very good. You are the HOD of our book reading. Okay, right. Fantastic. Some apps are there, like Blinkist. Blinkist, huh?
Yes.
Yeah. I just downloaded recently. Blinkist is there. That also comes with a lot of review. I have got some 2-3 apps related to it. Plenty. We have to, sometimes it can be too much also. Be careful. But it will serve inspiration to you. Somebody sharing, talking about a book, immediately will feel. And you need not go to the library, search all the books and see. Some excerpts given by others can sometimes rub that inspiration in you. Then you can choose that book. You can do today, if you go to this Amazon, what is that? Kindle.
Kindle.
You can read a review. You can read a few, one or two chapters you can read. And read the chapters and see if it is connecting with you, then you can invest the money on it.
Yes, sir.
Even Audible is there, sir. We can hear
Audible.
that audiobooks.
Some may not be comfortable reading, some are comfortable listening. Listening, there are plenty of apps today. Lot of apps has come. Computer, in the mobile phone, you can do everything. Okay.
Digital library also is there, sir.
Digital library. Some of all the wonderful books of the world so far, unless they are not hot cakes now, they are all available in digital format. There is one link also, PDF digital link. You get all books, Robin Sharma's books or Shiv Khera's books, every possible book you get it. Now old books are very easily available. What is costly is new books. New releases are costly. Okay, today like how Sun TV has come, you need not go and watch old movies in the theater. Like that, old books are available in plenty, free of cost in all the major websites. What is costly and what you have to pay is new books, the ones which are coming now. Those are costly. They are 400, 500, even goes to 1,000. Okay, thank you so much. Who's for tomorrow?
Chaitanya, sir.
Chaitanya. Okay. Good night, all of you. Take care.
Sir, excuse me.
Good night, sir.
Peter, sir, you can tell your vote of thanks.
Okay. Another friend is
Good evening, all. I'm so happy to see you all. I'm honored and lucky to have the opportunity to give a vote of thanks on a special day. I particularly thank Mr. Nataraj. He gave a wonderful lecture about a book, reading a book and importance of the books, how to choose the book, and how can we utilize our time in a proper manner to reading books, everything. He clearly explained to us. It was very useful for everybody. Okay, I would like to thank all those who are organizing this program, everybody. So thank you so much, and particularly thank our beloved principal for for this wonderful opportunity to organizing and creating for us. Okay, and I would like to thank you everyone for making this event success today. Okay, thank you all. Good night.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, good night.
See you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good